We are all connected to each other through the family of God. Each of us has the light of Christ within us, and everyone belongs here at BYU. The purpose of the new Office of Belonging is to foster a greater sense of belonging and unity on campus, and ultimately to fill our campus with the love of Christ. This year, we opened our office in the Wilkinson Student Center, started research efforts with our research fellows, hosted events, held focus groups, and welcomed thousands of students and members of the campus community through our doors. Our efforts are just beginning, and we need you to be part of this meaningful work. The Office of Belonging is a resource and a place to participate in this work. But true efforts of belonging happen in the hearts of each student, each professor, each employee, and each administrator on this campus. Belonging begins with me, and belonging begins with you. You are an important part of this work. You matter. Your unique experiences, your hopes, your dreams, your thoughts, your story, all matter. You belong here at BYU.